Hey guys, it's Remo, and here's this week's update from our team. So our story for today is regarding owning real estate, and that is real estate has this unique component that we call forced savings. So by doing, by paying your monthly payment every single month, what happens is a portion of that, and typically in the beginning a smaller portion, goes towards the principal. And so what happens is your principal goes down over time, right? But the other thing that's also happening, which is obviously appreciation and just everything as it gets expensive through the years, that's happening as well. So anyone that purchases a home, and those that we've helped, last 5 years, 10 years, and so on, have realized that where they've been forced to save, and it doesn't matter what property they bought, the tide rises really for all the boats here. So today's message is, as you own real estate, it's going to force you to save, and that saving is what's going to, help help you down the line to have options. Because when you have equity, you have options. So with that being said, let's get started. We want to first off congratulate some new homeowners that are about to get the keys. We closed earlier this week. However, the sellers are vacating the property, and all that will be happening. When it will be happening over the next couple of days, this weekend actually. So congratulations to Sandra Norma, Anthony, and Angie. Sorry. And so we want to say congratulations, guys. Thank you for trusting us to help you with the home purchase. If you want to get educated about the home buying process, we have our home buyer workshop. What is it? The next one is September 2nd. So if you're interested in learning about the home buying process, September 2nd is a Thursday evening. Probably by the time you're getting watch this video, all you got to do is there'll be a link somewhere or a comment below or a link in the bio, and you'll be able to register for that virtual workshop. We also have a handful of homes coming to market we're really excited about. 2 of them are actually going to be open this weekend. We have a 4-bedroom, 2-bath in East Whittier on Cornell. I think it just officially hit the market. By the time you're watching this video, it'll be on the market. We have one in the very desirable Palm Park neighborhood, a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, about a little under 1,700 square feet as well. Both those will be open Saturday and Sunday from 1 to 4 p.m. So please join us to see one of these homes. We have a couple others that are going to be coming, also in all of them actually in the city of Whittier. So if you're interested in buying Whittier or any other cities, we'd love the opportunity to help. With that being said, we want to say congratulations to all the parents that survived. I forgot to mention that school, kids going back to school. So hope that's kind of all working out. And again, thank you for your continued support, and we'll see you soon. Bye.